My name is Ramandeep Singh,
Okay,
and nice to meet you, first of all.
same here.
And secondly, how are you?
I'm perfectly fine. And you?
Doing good?
Okay. And I just heard like your company, Welling City Private Limited, they need seats for their bus. I think it's 35 feet long and 27 seater. So like I have designed some seats for your company. Like it's Linux leather and three cushion to make it more comfortable, and there is armrest too.
So, which bus are you talking about? I
It's
we need,
V130.
yeah, we definitely looking for that thing. It's impressive, you know that. And I would say uh, what kind of material you use in your seats? Like
Yeah, as
what?
yeah, as I said, we use brown color Linux leather, which is like quite comfortable. You don't get sweat in that if you travel for a long time, and it's quite comfortable. And in between that, we add a three cushioning seat, which is bucket seat for sitting, and a three cushions on the back, which gives you kind of massage, or like they're quite comfortable, and that's what we use. And we use the
I'm
armrest for
yeah.
their
I mean,
rest.
our requirement is like quite urgent,
Okay.
so we want someone who can like get the product delivered on time. Secondly, it should be quality standards or safety checks must.
Yeah.
Like we don't need any hassles later on. I mean, we are proudly running this bus services from a long time.
Yeah.
We have
Same.
a brand name in the
Yeah.
market, so just making for your knowledge, we have set up some standards, and I cannot take the decision without like having
Okay.
a look
I,
into the matter, like
I
the whole
totally
thing.
got you. That's why we are in this industry from last 35 years. And what we are doing, we are just making seats for the buses,
Okay,
and we are doing good. And
nice.
we also have some name in the market. So that's why can I get the three big challenges which you want
I
like to share with me?
mean, I mean, I could get like suppliers for the seat quite easily,
Okay.
but the thing is that our company, as I said, follows certain standards,
Okay.
values. So the very first thing is we were not able to like find the supplier which meets our quality
Okay.
or mission statement and the vision which we are looking. They are just trying to provide us the product, but
Okay.
not seeing through what we actually need. We need more than that, right?
Okay.
So yeah,
Can you just tell me what do you need in the seats? Like
I'm
any
not
other
talking about
like
seats, bro. Like I'm talking about the vision statement, like the
okay.
quality stuff and
Yeah,
all that
first of
shit.
all, I think we will definitely gonna meet your quality standards.
Yeah,
Secondly, before delivering anything, we do the quality check. If
nice.
they are okay, then
Okay,
we deliver it because we don't want to waste your and our time and a
okay.
company respect. And so the third thing, we design a seat according to the bus and the customer preferences and a company preferences. What do you guys need? And the third thing, our main and the last motive is to deliver on time or sometime before the time we gave to you guys.
Okay, I
Don't worry about the
think
delivery. Don't worry about the manufacturer. We have a big company. We have a lot of staff. We have good manufacturing company, so we gonna get that quick.
so. Well, Raman, I think it's quite an interesting angle
Okay.
that you are trying to tackle with this issue. Yeah.
Okay. I'm beginning to like the way your thought process is going. I will take that like personally compliment. Thank you. Yeah.
You're welcome.
And
So,
I always have a like
I would say, what, like, is it possible you guys can provide like green certificate of your seating? Like, it is not made of any harmful material. I don't want
okay.
any of my clients to be worried about that.
Yeah.
It should be
Yes, of
like
course. I can
carbon
like
positive.
yeah, I can understand. I can certainly be assistants to like you here. We have a list of ready specially for that. tells you about all the legal regulations you
Mm-hmm.
need to comply with the order of secure three of the top most like element green manufacturer certificate and to inform you better able to choose the best seeds manufacturers. Mandeep,
Wow, that sounds good. I mean, thanks already in advance. I'm
you're
impressed.
you're most welcome.
So now I will talk about my second challenge. And the second challenge is like since most of our orders with the other company, which is called Transport Canada, and it come with no prior intent, along with they usually take large orders and like take longer delivery times. We always looking for partners of a seat manufacturer like you or any other like which can provide products on like of a certain quality with some specification
Okay.
but within our strict guidelines and our provided deadlines. We are strict to that. Like if someone is not giving us like the right amount of quality and at the right amount of time, we are done then. So
Okay.
just to this is the second problem which our company is facing.
Okay. Well, I am afraid I may not be of much assistance to you
Mm-hmm.
regarding. This is because although we have industry knowledge, turnaround time competitors I feel would be like unethical to bring the competitors here. But I can tell you that your company have usual formed long-term contracts with us due to the promised deliveries.
I think that's quite refreshing to hear, my friend.
Thank you.
And yeah,
In the fact of like further uh, I will further you be providing you walkthrough of manufacturer facilities to assure you a strict manufacturer SOPs.
so I would say that's lovely to
Thank
hear.
you.
But there's one more problem which I have to mention, like, and the third problem is that our company facing is that the manufacturer that supply high quality seeds are extremely like are extremely expensive
Okay.
as in comparisons to other. Along with that, we cannot afford those ones. I mean, we want to meet our quality needs, but there's a certain limit of amount which we can spend. We can't go over budget. We ensure that we will give big orders, but it depends on the amount. Yeah, definitely.
Okay, Mandeep, on the note, I would like to tell you we have introduced a new model of the bus seats which are made specially in Canada. These are the Sun Secure seats and we will help you to solve your problem and your challenges. I definitely recommend you that seat.
Okay, but how so you are thinking about it?
Well,
Like,
firstly, our seat manufacture facility has machinery that operate only by electricity and there are no engineers required for fossil fuel and like to operate we do not even use a diesel petrol generator like it's entire manufacturing facilities are like outer were lined with higher grade solar panels product solar like machines whole manufacture company like manufacture machines are operated by a solar panel. The energy what it generates not 100%, 60% energy is generated by solar panels and 40% we like take by the electricity like you, the electricity provider and we tried as much to be green and safe for environment that saves our like employees cost that's saving a lot of money electricity bills and we can give you good discount.
wow, that sounds amazing. I
Thank you.
mean, we were looking for some suppliers which have like already dealing with this green situation
Thank
and
you.
trying to be electric. To be honest, we are planning to like the next launch of our buses
Okay.
is all electric, so
Yeah.
we'll be needing someone to assist us and with the same goals
Okay.
as we're trying to save our environment. So that that's good for here. Like to me, it's
Okay.
good. Yeah.
Okay. Well, like, what can I say? Our sensor seats are made from more than 10 years of rigorous research
Wow.
and product testing so that we have achieved a perfect balance between safety, security, public transits, and for like Volvo buses.
That's really well and good, Mr. Ramandeep. But I don't think so that factory testing of crashes and accident can like actually similar to the real life accidents, to be honest, right? So I don't really think that such tests you take would be like any kind of use, or maybe could deal like the same in a real situation somehow. Yeah.
Okay, I feel you are not convinced with the claim, and so like I have attached two newspaper clipping from the New York, USA, and about how the safe SenseCare seats help to save lives of 25 passenger on the board New York Transit bus,
I mean
and you can
that's if that's like true, I'm indeed impressed.
thank you. So, Mr. Mandeep, on scale 1 on 10, how would you like how would you be know more about your SenseCare seats, and do you think it could be meaningful component
I
for your buses and the VMC company?
I think I would give you guys a 7.
Okay.
I mean, I still have another objection, to be
Yes,
honest.
sure. You're most welcome to clearly doubts with me.
Uh, what other CSR activities do you like SBP engage in other than the evident of green objectives?
Okay. Um, that's glad you asked me this question. Like I'm really excited to answer you. The thing is, our seats are made of our fox leather of the superior quality and hands and completely currently free. And moreover, we tie ups 5 local operators in British Columbia, about 5%, and our
That
net
sounds
profit is
good.
donation
I
processed to
mean,
these operators.
I mean, it's good to hear that. I'm glad with what you have said, Ramandeep.
Thank you.
I would be happy to do business with you. Like we can be a active partner. Like I would say right now we are also dealing with the CSR activities. I guess you have convinced me somehow to some extent. Let me go through like write an email and just give me some time. I'll just have to ask my supervisors, like
That's
the
excellent
superior
news.
ones. I have to mail them, and I am willing that we will be placing an order of our VI30 and VI35 buses seats from your company. I am looking into it. Yeah.
That's excellent news. If you have any further queries,
Mm-hmm.
you can easily contact me on phone,
Mm-hmm.
and we will be able to like you can get all queries from me, and you can ask anything you want. You can call me, email me, and whatever
Okay.
way you think it's okay for you, you can contact me by there. And if
Awesome.
you want to set another meeting with anyone else, like any manager or anybody, and I'll glad to do there.
Nice. So, I mean, I would be more than happy to do business with some supplier like you. I'm fortunate, I would say.
Like that was a great pleasure for me, and interacting with you and exchanging some ideas. I hope it continues this communication with our further as well.
Uh, I think I have the similar kind of feelings, and I will definitely get back to you as soon as possible, and as soon as I get confirmation from my superiors. It was
Okay,
nice meeting you.
same here, and I'm looking forward to working with your company. And goodbye, take care, have a nice day.
A good one.
Thank you.
Bye bye.